Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your channel is verified and allowed to add links. Next, create a short, clean product URL and add tracking if you want analytics. Upload the product image and a 15-30-second promo clip to your phone or cloud so it's ready. Once done, write a crisp call to action, something like tap to buy. Keep it under 30 characters. Make sure you have any affiliate ID handy before you open the YouTube Shorts Composer. You upload the short, then focus on the description area and any dedicated link field YouTube provides. Paste the full product URL first, then add your short CTA at the top so viewers see it without clicking more. If YouTube shows a link option, use that for better visibility. Otherwise, pin the URL in the first line of the description. Once done, add any required affiliate disclosure. Make sure it's clear and short, because transparency builds trust and prevents policy issues. You publish the short, then immediately open it on both mobile and desktop to test the product link. Confirm it opens and tracks properly. After you go live, monitor analytics for click-through rate and conversions over the next 24 to 72 hours, because early data tells you if the description or CTA needs tweaking. If the link is broken, check URL encoding and affiliate parameters. If the link is hidden, review YouTube's link policies and your channel settings. Fixing those.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.